Hadein beladep ban pelat paibah ia kamat treikam na ke bynta ke election hajar pulai Mynta ke sngipan pau terik rymphang ke Voice of the People Party ke VPP ke layo ban pelat salai pasau tylli ke jingkular na ke bynta ke ni ke election kiba kynthup ia ke pule puthi ban pynduna ia ke tuid ke briew na nongkyndong syaki jaka kaba ban wanrah ia ke roi ke par thaiñ nongkyndong kaba baing ke jaka jngoh pyrthei ke rukom ban pangmet ia ke khndau ke siap ke jing mi kibar Jylla ke border issue ke artikel lai nyau iwe ke ketien khasi ke law and order bat ke jingma no drugs bat kiwe kimat treikam ya kita ke jingkular la pelat ha ke jingalang belingkot ke balalong ha sweet home guest house ke badon ha moti nagar ha ke jingadon lang uba Ardent M Basaiawmoit uba de president ringkat be nongkyndong jong kete ke party Habayat huwa shikilat pathai kubor, uba Ardent ulayat huwa uba udrok uday uway uba lapin pangmet ya ke Jylla, Henry ke VPP ke don ke rukom tre ke bapher ban rat dingkong yuk te uja jingdi uba snio.
We claim to be a community where land belongs to the people, and that which is not true at all. So we want to go to the original concept of land holding of the khasi people. You know, if we go according to the original concept of land holding of the khasi people, you'll find that every person in the khasi community owns land, even till his death. His dead body cannot be thrown away like that, which is why they used to bury, no? In the, what we call community burial ground. Okay, so and the conversion of community land is, increasing day by day, especially in certain districts. So therefore, we feel that we need to have a law in order to ensure that every household through these community land will be getting a land. That means we have to designate, for example, we designate this portion of land as an agricultural land. It means an owner of the land cannot use this for other purpose. As of now, there is no such law or regulation. We understand that there is no way for any government to have a one traffic way to solve this issue. We need to adopt a multi-pronged approach in order to solve this issue. So the attempt on the part of the government to bring this MRSSA is one of the factors to deal with this issue. But our main concern is that government should instead, in the first place, choose to push the central government, to remove that, to withdraw the presidential notification. And the state government on its own, according to the provision of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873, can implement ILP in the state of Meghalaya. Pingatrai kabedi drugs. Kalau ka issue ka pangmet ini namar ba ni bigi kun samaj ki kilam tang drugs tang ka kya drugs. Then ring don hi ki strategy ki jingi ke ba inle. Then ring ke ba ni kwa ban shu highlight kitya le ma ke ba ni le. Kalau ha bedi bat kan ni ka party can classify. There will be a classification. Habedi bu drugs. Kindon kiba ngila abnong kita ki drug user, kindon kita ki drug supplier. So we will deal with these groups accordingly.